So very good morning to everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 9-8 from question 8. Yesterday we have completed till question 7. Okay. Today I'll tell you what you have to do in the question 8 to question 14. Right? Find Harmanjot, find Gurnoor. It's okay. Adjust your camera, Harmanjot and Gurnoor. Yeah. So now in the question 8 you have to find out the standard form. Very easy. Angel Latter. In the question 8 you have to find out the standard form. Okay. So how you can find out? The question is 42 upon 49. So how we can find? Anyone can tell me how we can find out? Yes, please tell me. Anyone? Please bring the ideas. Do you know how we can find out the standard form? Hazel? Almost it's same. Your answer is almost correct. Very good. In this standard form, you have to divide this number with the same table. Okay. If it will be cancelled on 6, then you can cancel it. But both should be cancelled on 6 table. Both should be cancelled on 2 table. Both should be cancelled on table 7. Both should be cancelled on table 5. So it will cancel on which table? Both. Both are going on which table? Yes. Gurveer, no. How, Gurveer? It is going on 3 table. Ananya, Garv Mehta, very good. Anshika, very good. Yes. Prasan, yes. Yes, it is going on table 7. Okay. 42 divided by 49. 7 6 and 7 7. Okay, so you have to write this is going on 7 table. Okay, divide by 7 here and 7 here. Okay, you can mention in this way. You have to mention in this way. Divided by 7 here and 7 here. So when you divide 42 with 7, answer will be 6. When you divide 49 with 7, answer will be 7. So this is your standard form. Any doubt? Any doubt is there in the standard form? Yes? Please tell me. Okay. Slowly write. Other students? Are there only Slowly sitting in my class? Rest are sleeping? Yes. So, please tell me now question 3rd. Suppose I am doing question 3rd. Okay, question 3rd. Right? So, question 3rd is 12 upon 78. That is minus 78. It is going on which table? Both are divisible by which table? Please tell me. Table 2, yes. Any other table? Find out the largest table. Largest. Yes. After 3. If I cancel on 2, again I have to cancel on 2. Okay, so please tell me which is the largest by which we can cancel and it will not further more cancel. Table 6. Okay, let me cancel on table 6. Table 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 1s are 6. 6 3s are 18. Yes, it will cancel on table 6. Okay, it will cancel on table 6. So you have to divide here 6 with here, 6 with here. Divide 6 with the numerator and denominator. Your answer will be 2 and it will be 13. And this is minus. Okay. But in the standard form, one more thing. In the standard form, your answer should be positive. Your answer should be positive. See, this minus is a common minus for both. Okay, so you have to multiply with minus 1 here, minus 1 here. Okay, or you can write here, you have to multiply with only minus. Okay, so that your answer will be positive because the standard form is always coming in the positive. That's it. If the answer is positive, fine. If the answer is negative, multiply with minus 1. Right? This will be your answer. Now, fourth part. Fourth part is minus 15 upon 60. minus 15 upon minus 60. Minus 60 is there? Okay. So this is minus minus already. So minus minus sign you can cancel in the beginning. Both are minus minus, you can cancel in the beginning. Okay. Now it is going on which table? Check it out. Not 5, largest table by which I can cancel, and then it will not cancel furthermore. Always divide with that table. After that it will not cancel furthermore. Divide by 15. 15 table. When I divide with 15, my answer will be 15 ones are 15 and 15 fours are 60. Now I cannot cancel furthermore. This will be my answer. Any doubt? Gatik, Rushil, it's clear? Yes, Rushil. Tanvi, it's clear? You were busy in talking earlier, Tanvi. Right, it's clear? Fine. Okay. Now I'm going to start next question. Now the next question is question 9. Right? In question 9, what they are asking, question 9 is totally similar with question 8. Okay, which of the following are the pairs of equivalent rational numbers? The pairs which are equivalent. What are equivalent? I'll tell you. Suppose first part is 3 upon 15 minus 15 comma minus 1 upon 5. Okay, I told one thing to you. If the denominator is negative, that means this complete rational number is negative. If the numerator is negative, the complete rational number is negative. Okay, if both are negative, then it will be positive. If both are positive, obviously it will be positive. Right? Now, what are the equivalent? When you will cancel this term or this term on same number, your answer should be same. So, can I cancel this term furthermore? Can I cancel this term furthermore? No, I can't cancel 1 upon 5 furthermore. Right? Now, can I cancel this term furthermore? Now, can I cancel this term furthermore? Can I cancel it? This term? I can cancel on which table? Please tell me. On which table I can cancel this? Yes, on 3 table. Okay, so if I cancel on 3 table, it will be 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. Minus sign is here, and here is the minus sign is here. Okay, this means this is the minus sign. This is the minus sign. This minus sign is common, and here also if minus sign is here, that means the minus sign is common. So both are same. Are these same? So these are equivalent to each other or not? When they are same, they are coming same, then we can say that yes, they are equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers. Okay. When after cancelling both or any one, your answer, your rational numbers will be same. Then it will be equivalent. Equivalent means equal. Kushan, 7th, awesome. Are you getting, Kushan? Okay. Now let's start with the next part. Now, next part. I'm doing now last part. Okay? Last part. In this question, you just have to identify which are equivalent. Write yes or no. Right? You have to write yes or no. Now, let's start the last part, 4th part. Question is minus 4 upon minus 10 minus 2 upon 5. Okay, now please tell me, minus 4 upon 10 means minus minus will will be cancelled. This is positive. Yes or no? Yes or no? It is positive. Okay, and here minus sign is there. It means minus sign is common for both. Okay, so this is positive, this is negative. If I cancel this on 2 table, it will cancel on 2 2s and here 2 5s. And here my answer is minus 2 upon 5. This is the positive, this is the negative. Are these equivalent? Are these equivalent to each other? Okay. If the answer is same but the sign are different, then they will not equivalent. If the answer is same and sign are different, here it is plus, okay, positive, it is minus, then they are not equivalent. Not equivalent rational number. Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Yes? Please tell me, give a response. Any doubt is there? How to find the equivalent rational numbers? How you can identify? Okay, Abhijot, Ananya, right. Rashi later on. Kushan, 7th, awesome. Okay, now let's start with the next question. Now 10th question is, which of the rational numbers are equal? Again same as it is. Here they have mentioned that equivalent. In the next question they have mentioned equal. Right? 10th question. 10th question is, first part, suppose I'm writing first part here, 20 upon minus 28, comma. Next is 5 upon minus 7. Okay. Now please tell me, are these same or not? Are these are same or not? Aditya, yes, quickly, hurry up. Again, in the 9th question, you have to find out they are equivalent or not. Okay, here you have to find out they are equal or not. Okay, same process. Okay, here minus sign is they are in the denominator, minus sign is here in denominator. So this is a positive rational number or negative? This is positive rational number or negative? Yes, negative. This is positive or negative? Yes, negative. Very good, Anshika. Very good, Sanchit. Okay. Now you know, same steps. Equivalent. The concept of equivalent, question 9th, and concept of 10th question, equal. Both are same, totally same. Okay. So cancel this question. This rational number you can cancel on which table? It is going on which table? 4 table. Yes. 4 table. Okay. Table of 4. 4 5s and 4 7s. Okay. Minus sign as it is. And here it is 5 upon minus 7. Are these equal? Are these similar? Both are equal? Yes. Please tell me. Yeah, take your time. No worries. Are these similar? Please tell me 5 upon minus 7, 5 upon minus 7. Are these equal or not? My answer will be yes or no. Yes. Your answer will be yes. They are equal fraction. Yes, they are equal fraction. That's it. This is your answer. Any doubt? Please show me thumbs up if it's understood by you. How to find the equivalent fraction? How to find the equal fraction? Okay, equal rational number, please tell me. Show me thumbs up. Sneha, fine. Ananya, Hazel, fine. Other students, Saloni, yes, fine. Gurveer Kaur, nothing is there to explain. Cancel. This you can't cancel. This you can cancel. Just find out on which table you can cancel it. You can cancel this on table 4. Okay, table 4. 4 5s are 20 and 4 7s are 28. So 5 upon minus 7 and here is 5 upon minus 7. Both are totally totally equal. Okay, the way you have done this, the same way you have to do question 9 equivalent, Anirudh. Okay, question 9 equivalent is same as it is. Anirudh in question 9 equivalent, the process is totally same. Okay, the process is totally same. Here you just have to find out they are cancelling on which table, and after cancelling both are negative negative, both are positive positive, and the answers are same. Yes, you can write they are equal or equivalent. Right? Now let's start with the next question. Next question is question 11. Please read out question 11. Question 11th is, write 4 rational numbers equivalent to the following rational numbers. You have to write down 4 equivalent rational numbers. 3 upon 7 is the question. Okay. Now how to write down the rational numbers? Now please listen here. When you have to write down, in the previous question you have to find out the equivalent rational numbers. Okay, that they are yes or no. Now you have to write down equivalent rational numbers. So equivalent, I'll not repeat the process again, time, check it out the time also. Now listen carefully once. Okay, equivalent rational numbers, how to find out equivalent rational numbers? Write down this 3 by 7 here. Okay, multiply this with 2 by 2. Write here 3 by 7. Multiply with 3 by 3. Write 3 by 7 here. Multiply with 4 by 4. Write 3 by 7 here. Multiply with 5 by 5. Okay, you have to multiply 4. You have to find out 4 rational numbers. 4. Okay, so first time multiply with 2 by 2, then 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. Okay, now 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21, 3 4s are 12, 7 4s are 28, right? 3 5s are 15 and 7 5s are 35. If I cancel this fraction on 2 table, my answer will be what? Please tell me what will be my answer if I cancel this on 2 table. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. My fraction is 3 by 7. Yes, if I cancel this on table 3, my answer will be 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21. My answer is again same. If I cancel this on table 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28. My answer is again 3 by 7. Right, if I cancel this on table 5, answer will be 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35. My answer is again 3 by 7. So in all these cases, when you cancel this, you will get the equal fraction, equivalent fraction. Okay, so how you can find out equivalent fraction? Abhijot, I know that due to network problem it is occurring. Okay, so how you can find out equivalent rational numbers? You have to multiply this fraction with 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. So these are your answers. Okay, this I told you for your understanding part. Okay, that after cancelling these, answer will be 3 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7, 3 by 7. Right? It's understood by everyone. In all the 4 parts, you just have to multiply with 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. And you will get your answer. No, Ishita, you don't have to write this in the fear notebook. You just have to write in this way. That these are the equivalent, rational numbers, and this is your answer. These are your answers. You have to mention in this way. These are my answers. You have to mention in this way. These are my answers. Sneha, adjust your camera. Geet, seventh blossom, it's clear to you? Yes, Geet. Sneha. Okay. Ishita. Hazel, fine. Avni. Pratishtha. Right. Okay. So the same way you have to find out in all other 4 parts. Okay. All other parts. Multiply with 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. Whatever answer we are getting. When you cancel it on table 2, 3, 4, 5, you will get the same fraction, same rational number. That's why these are the equivalent rational numbers. Okay? Now let's start with the next question. Please mention. I'm writing here. Some parts I've given for the homework. Okay, I'm writing here. Which parts I've given for the homework? Please mention. 8th question, some parts I gave for the homework. Right? Question 9th I gave for the homework. In question 10th also, in question 11th also. I gave these questions for the homework. Few parts I've done here, few parts are the homework. Right? Now let's start with the next question, question 11th. Sorry, question 12th. 11th has completed. Now question 12th. Please mark these questions for the homework. Few parts we have done in the class, few parts I gave for the homework. Mark all these questions 8, 9, 10, 11. The parts which I have given you, you have to do it carefully at home. Okay, now question 12th. Question 12th, listen carefully. In the question 12th, what they are saying, find the equivalent form of rational numbers 3 by 8, 9 by 14, 20 by 21 which are having common denominator. So write this here first of all. 3 by 8, 9 by 14, 20 by 21. You have to find out that equivalent rational number whose denominator will be same like this. Okay, whose denominator will be common, will be same. So what you have to do? What you have to do? Find out the LCM of these first of all. Please find out LCM of 8, LCM of 14 and LCM of 21. Please tell me the LCM of all these. Find out. Sanchit, no? Find out the LCM once again, Sanchit. You made a mistake. Find out LCM. LCM, you know, everyone knows LCM. 8, 14 and 21. Find out the LCM. Find out the LCM. Yes, quickly. Yes, it is going on table 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are, and then 2 21 will be as it is. Right? Then 2 2s are 4, 7 and 21 will be here. 2 1s are 2, then 7 and 21 will be here. 7 1s are 7 and 3s are. Okay, first of all you can go on 3 table 3. 3 7s are, and so 7 1s are, 1s are, 1s are. Okay, this is the LCM method. Everyone knows this thing? Everyone knows how to find the LCM? Okay, so 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 7s are how much? 24 7s are, yes, 168. 168 will be your LCM. Okay, LCM always start with the prime number. Always start with the prime number and smallest prime number. Right? I'm writing here some prime numbers. Okay? Listen one thing. LCM always start with the prime numbers. Prime number, smallest prime number. 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13. LCM you can't do with table 4, 6, 8, no. LCM you have to write here all the prime number and that will be the you can't cancel with table 7. No, that the format will be wrong. LCM always start with the least prime number. Okay, so these are the prime number. Parth, please send me the message in the chat box. What query you are having? Right, so LCM is 168. Right, now the other methods are, now please tell me, when you divide 168 with 8, divide 168 with 8. Okay, divide 168 with 14 and divide 168 with 21. Now tell me what will be the answers. Please tell me, everyone. After taking out the LCM, you have to divide this LCM with this denominator, LCM with this denominator, LCM with this denominator. Find out the answers. Find out the answers quickly. 168 divided by 8. What will be the answer? Tanisha, I know that. What will be the answer? 21. Very good. Next. 168 divided by 14. 168 divided by 14. What will be the answer? Yes. 14 table. No, Shagun, this is the answer of first. Table 14. Please tell me quickly. 12. It is going on 12. Now 168 divide with 21. 168 divide with 21. Please tell me. Very good. That will go on 8. That will go on 8. Very good. Okay. So first of all, this is the first step. Okay. Now second step is, this question is a bit lengthy. The second step is, first of all, find the LCM. Okay. After that, you have to divide all the denominators one by one. Okay. So these are the answers. Now you have to multiply this first fraction 3 by 8 with 21. 21 and 21. The second fraction 9 by 14, you have to multiply with this answer 12 by 12. Okay, and the third fraction 20 upon 21, you have to multiply with this number answer 8 upon 8. Any doubt? Any doubt? Yes, any doubt is there? Listen, in this question, first of all, find out the LCM. First step is, you have to divide all the denominators with this answer. Okay, with this answer. These are the answers you are getting now. Now, second step is, now you have to take this fraction, you have to multiply this fraction with 21 by 21. Second fraction with this answer, 12 by 12. Okay, third fraction with this answer, 8 by 8. That's it. Okay, now find out the answers. 21 multiplied by 3. What is the answer? 63. Divide by 21 multiplied by 8. What will be the answer? Yes. Yes, please tell me. What will be the answer? 21 multiplied by 8. 168. Okay. Now 12 nines are. 12 nines are. Please tell me. 12 nines are 108. Okay. 12 multiplied by 14. That will be 168. Okay. Now 8 multiplied by 20. That is 160. And 21 multiplied by 8. That will be 168. So this is the answer when you get the same denominators. This was the question. Find out the rational number which will be having same denominators or common denominators. Any doubt? Geet, Pratishtha. Find Pratishtha. In this question, find out the LCM. Then divide this denominators one by one with this LCM. Okay, whatever numbers you are getting, multiply and divide with multiply numerator and denominator with this first number, multiply the second fraction with this number, here and here. Multiply this third fraction with this number here and here. Okay, after multiplying, these are the fractions you are getting, and you can check it out in all the fractions. The denominators are same. You can check it out. The denominators are common. The denominators are same as it is. Right? So I hope it is understood to everyone. Sure. Only this question was a bit lengthy. Okay. But the question I have repeated thrice right now. And I hope it is understood by everyone now. Garg Mehta, Rushil Rana, Keshav, Anirudh, Sahaj, Gurveen Kaur, Harshit Lathar, sit properly. Aditya, 7th awesome. Are you getting? Jyotirmay, are you getting the concept? Okay. Tanisha, right. Yanya, Akshara, okay. And who is not there on his place? Mavish, where are you? One student was asking me when the connection was lost, ma'am, where are you? Now it's my time to ask you, where are you? Okay, right. Now the last question, 13th question is the fill in the blanks. Today we'll cover up this exercise. By tomorrow we'll start with the new exercise. Okay, today your homework is only these 4 questions. 12th question I have done in the class. 13th is based upon the fill in the blanks. Okay, now let's start with the fill in the blanks. Please tell me in question not fill in the blanks, these are I think true false. Yes, true false, true or false. Okay, now 7/0 is a rational number. Very good. To whom I can ask? 7/0 is a rational number. Okay, I'll ask to some students, those who are always attentive in the class. Hargun Singh and Harshit Lathar. Tell me the answer. 7/0 is a rational number. If your answer is false or true, give me the reason. Very good. 7/0 is not a rational number. False. Why? Because denominator should not be 0 in case of rational number. The denominator should not be 0. Okay. Now please tell me. 0 is the smallest rational number. Quickly find out. 0 is the smallest rational number. Find out. Yes. No. 0 is not a smallest rational number. False. Which is the smallest rational number? Because 0/1 will be what? 0/1 will be Sanchit. Give me answer. Yes. Smallest rational number is always 1. Okay. Now next is, okay, so this is the smallest rational number is 1. Okay, 0 is not the rational number, is not the smallest rational number. Okay, and next is third, there is no largest rational number. There is no largest rational number. Yes or no? Yes or no? There is no largest rational number because you don't know. Do you know the counting? Do you know the counting where it will end? Do you know the last counting, the number of the counting? Do you know? No, nobody knows that. Okay, because counting never ends. It is up to infinity or beyond infinity. Okay, infinite. There are infinite rational numbers. There are infinite integers. There are infinite even numbers, infinite prime numbers, infinite odd numbers. Okay. So there are infinite numbers. So there are infinite numbers, okay? Infinite, that means there is no, we can't count that numbers, last numbers. So there is no largest rational number, so that will be true. Okay, there is no largest rational number, that will be true. Please tell me fourth part. Every integer is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number. I am writing example of integer here. This is integer 2 and this is integer -7. Are these rational number? Yes, because I can write 1 here, I can write 1 here. Now they are rational numbers. Okay, so every integer is a rational number. Correct. Okay, you can write any integer. Suppose I am writing integer -132. That is also a rational number, because every integer is having 1 in the denominator. Alright. Now the last part, fifth part is, every rational number is a fraction. Anshika, just wait. What is your query? Anshika, 0 is an integer. 0 is a rational number as well. Okay, as well. We can write in the denominator 1. We can write 1 in the denominator. Right. But we can't write this number as a smallest number. Right. Now, last is, every rational number is a fraction. Every rational number is a fraction. Now please tell me, this is the -2. -2, if I am writing 1 here or I am not writing 1 here, it is a rational number or not? It is rational number or not? Yes, it is a rational number. Okay, so this is false. Okay, it can be in the fraction, it cannot be in the fraction. Right? So today's your homework question are question 8, 9, 10, 11. Up to 13 you have to write properly in your fair notebook. Okay, and do the practice on the regular basis. Right? Bye bye and take care all of you.